I decided to host a Valentine's night party at my house, inviting my closest female friends. No boys, no pressure, just a fun, relaxed evening filled with music, games, and lots of laughter. The theme was all about celebrating self-love, friendship, and ditching the typical Valentine's Day expectations. The living room was transformed into a cozy haven with pink and red balloons, fairy lights twinkling around the room, and heart-shaped decorations hanging from the ceiling. A chocolate fondue fountain was flowing, and a DIY mocktail bar was set up with pink drinks and cute glassware. The vibe was perfect for a night filled with fun and bonding. We kicked things off with a playlist of upbeat, nostalgic love songs that everyone could sing along to. As the evening went on, everyone was in high spirits, sharing funny dating stories and playing games like Never Have I Ever and Truth or Dare. The energy was exactly what I hoped for, light-hearted and carefree. Then, things started getting interesting. One of my friends, Sarah, dared Aisha to send a happy Valentine's Day text to her ex. At first, Aisha hesitated, but, encouraged by the group, she sent the text. Moments later, her phone started blowing up with frantic messages from him. He thought she was trying to rekindle things, and was extremely enthusiastic about it. Aisha, who was just trying to win the game, panicked and blocked him. Crisis averted, for now. But the real chaos came shortly after. I heard a knock at the door, and to my surprise, it was my neighbor, someone I barely talked to. Apparently, our karaoke session had gotten too loud. Now, we weren't singing soft love ballads. We were belting out Shakira and Britney Spears like we were on stage at a concert. He looked a little annoyed but also amused. I apologized, promising we'd keep it quieter. But then, Nadia had this brilliant idea. What if we invited him in instead of just sending him away? Why not join the party instead of complaining? She said, before I could protest. He was already stepping inside and grabbing a drink from the table. And just like that, my all-girls Valentine's night party had turned into a strange mix of self-love and an unexpected guest. Surprisingly, he didn't ruin the vibe. He blended in with the group, and honestly, he was pretty cool. He joined the conversation, cracked a few jokes, and even beat us all in charades. That's when we learned he had just gone through a breakup that morning. The poor guy was now spending his Valentine's night with a bunch of women who were supposed to be celebrating their own self-love. By the end of the night, we were all in tears from laughing so hard. Aisha was still regretting that text. Sarah was proudly claiming that inviting the neighbor was her idea all along, and we all agreed that we should make this an annual tradition. Was it the perfect Valentine's night I envisioned? Not exactly. But was it unforgettable? Absolutely.